Hello everyone, welcome to this bonus Unity tutorial. This was actually suggested by someone in the comment section. They wanted me to show them how to create a menu in Unity. That's actually a really good idea because I'd never thought of that, and menus are a very important part of any game. So I created this simple menu right here. If you want to know how I created it, if you watch to the end of this video, there will be a short time lapse of me making this menu just to clarify a few things if you are confused. Anyway, I've got two scenes here. Ignore this one. I've got scene 1, which is our menu, and scene 2, which is our game. Just pretend this is a game. So what I want to do is whenever we push this play button right here, we want it to change to the next scene. And that's very, very easy to do. So let's right click in our project panel right here, select C# script. You can call it whatever you like. I'm going to call mine menu script. Then you can attach it to anything you like. I'm going to attach it to this panel right here. There we go. And then we can double click on the script to open up in your preferable text editor. And what we're going to do is remove these two methods right here and create our own. Now, one thing about methods, just like variables, methods can be marked as public or private. Now, if you haven't seen my video about variables, I suggest you go check that out, as I will be going a lot faster in this video, so just a heads up. Anyway, so I'm going to write public because I want this method to show up in the inspector, and I'm going to write void, and then write the name of the method, so I'm going to write play game, and then 2 curly brackets, and then to load the next scene, all you got to write is scene manager dot load scene, and then the name of our scene is scene 2. So all we got to do, in quotation marks, we write scene. That's not, you write scene 2 semicolon to end it. Save it, exit out of Unity, and I will get an error. It says the name scene manager does not exist in the current context. The reason why is just like UI, scene manager is in a completely different library. So I'm just going to copy and paste this Unity engine thing here right here, and I'm going to write dot scene management. Let's save that. The error should go away. There we go. Now if we click on our button, and we need to scroll down here to this on click area right here. Click on the plus button, drag in the panel, click on menu script, and then click on play game. Now if you don't see play game right there, it's probably because you haven't marked the method as public, so make sure you do that. So if we hit play, and then hit the play button, we've got an error. Now it says scene 2 could not be loaded because it has not been added to the build settings. Now to fix this, all you have to do is go File, Build Settings, and then just add in the scenes you would desire. So I'm going to drag scene 1 and scene 2, just so Unity knows what to look for. Now, if we play, press our play button, there we go, it loads the next scene. Now, we have this quit button here, and we want that to do something as well. Obviously, we want to make the game quit, and that's very easy to do as well. It's very similar to the play game method actually. We've got to write public void, and let's write quit game, 2 curly brackets, and then all you got to write is application dot quit. Let's save that. Now if we go back into the editor right here, go over to the on click event, click on the plus button, drag in the panel, click on the menu script function, and then click on play not play game. We don't want play game. We want quit game. Now if we play and press quit, you might see nothing happening, and the reason why is because we actually need to build our game in order for it to work. To build your game, you just go File, Build Settings, and then hit Build. But for now, we can just write debug.log. Hello there. Hey, hi. Let's save it. Now if we play, press quit, we should see hello there, hey, hi, display in the console. And if we press play, it works, and there you go. That's how to create a simple menu in Unity. Now, there's other ways you can use the scene manager. Let's say whenever we trigger this cube, it will load the next scene. That's fairly easy to do as well. We write using Unity Engine dot scene management. And then all we got to write in the void on trigger enter method, you write scene manager dot load the scene. I cannot write scene. And then we got to write scene. Oh my god. Scene 2. Sorry, I can't spell. Nope. Oh, I forgot a semicolon. There we go. Sorry, I'm not concentrating today, guys. Alright, so if we play, if we walk into this cube, it will load the next scene, just like that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you want me to do different Unity tutorials, then just put it in the comment section below. Tell me what you're confused with or what you would like to do. And yeah, I'll probably make a tutorial about it because, you know, making tutorials are fun. And yeah, so anyway, goodbye guys. Hey, do you like games? Specifically, marble games? Then Countertop Land is the game for you. 5 worlds, 20 levels, optimizable settings. Music made by yours truly. Apart from the music in this advert, yeah, that's actually from the YouTube audio library. And the graphics, they're pretty nice. All available for free. Download on GameJolt or play the browser version at this site right here. No, I do not have a domain name, so ignore this Netlify thing here. Don't actually ignore it, you still have to type it in your browser. I have nothing else to say apart from... Just get the game, alright? Just get it. It's a good game, okay? It's free! Yeah, and I just want people to play it, so I guess click on the link in the description below.